Hi there, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to gundam.my. I'm your host, Abdurrahman, as always. And today we are going to be reviewing the Gundam Base Limited high-grade Gouf flight unit. Now, this specific Gouf is not your ordinary type Gouf. Now, it looks like a Gouf custom from afar, but it's actually a Gouf flight unit, as you notice from the legs and the shoulder. Now, the design of the Gouf flight unit is meant to be a much more aerodynamic version of the normal Gouf. So, as you can see, this kit is provided by LitTac. Now, I would like to thank LitTac for giving us access to this kit. Now, most of the Gundam Base Limited that you've recently watched is provided by LitTac, so everything has been already assembled. So let's check out the model itself, shall we? Now, after unpackaging the specific box, you'll get this kit. Now, it is a really nice kit overall, and surprisingly, this kit comes with its own water decal as well. Now, the Gouf flight unit looks amazing, fantastic, and is sturdy as well. Now, surprisingly, it comes with its own shield and also its Gatling gun that resembles that of the Gouf custom of the HG kit. Yes, it is actually just the same as the HG Gouf custom. Everything about it is the same. It comes with its own ginormous sword, and it comes with its Gatling gun and even the rocket launchers, basically the triple rocket launchers that you see right there. Yeah, those come in as well. Now, this kit is really simple. Without a doubt, it is a HG kit. Now, what I like about this kit is that it basically upgrades the Gouf custom to a much more flight mode than your typical Gouf custom. And besides that, it comes with its 3 separate hands. Now you can play around with it. Now it's pretty simple, straightforward, this kit, and I really like about it entirely. Now let's head to the movements. And now we're going to check out the movement for the Gouf flight unit. Now, surprisingly, this kit also comes with its own clear stand, so that's a nice feature for you to have. You don't have to worry about the stand itself. Now, with this kit, let's take a closer look of how good the movement is. I feel that the Gouf flight unit is really sturdy, and it looks sturdy as well. And yes, it is pretty sturdy. It is really solid. The only loose parts about this entire kit is the hands itself. And overall, the shoulders can move as so upwards and surprisingly in a very nice angle. I did not expect the shoulders were able to move at that much of an angle. Now, overall, the movement for the shoulder itself is pretty nice and it's pretty solid as well. Now, you can actually adjust the shoulders accordingly, so you can just turn the shoulders up or sideways accordingly to your own preference. So overall, with this kit, it's really solid. Now, the favorite part about the flight unit is that the chest surprisingly has a small detail on the cockpit that has a clear part of it that the pilot can see. The body itself can actually turn sideways, not that much really, quite sturdy as I mentioned before, really solid as a rock, as you can say. Now, the wings itself onto the jetpack and the skirts can actually be moved, so you don't have to worry about that. And overall, the favorite part about this entire kit is the legs. Even though how big and chunky it looks, it's actually quite flexible, seeing that the kit actually is able to move nicely, firmly, and in a way that it is pretty smooth overall. Now, you don't have to worry about any loose part with this kit. It's actually pretty solid and smooth at the same time, which I did not expect from a HG. Well, this is actually a newer HG kit, so they had to actually redesign it from top to bottom. So with the legs, it's really nice and simple. Even with the feet itself, can actually move at such an extreme upward angle. And as you can see, I would highly recommend you get this kit. It really looks cool overall. I would actually get this kit as part of my personal collection. And yes, surprisingly, the way that you can attach the basically the rocket launchers onto the wrist hand itself is pretty simple, as well as the shield. It's really similar as the Gouf custom, the way that you install the minigun that is on the wrist of the Gouf flight unit. Overall, it looks awesome, it looks amazing, and the best part about it, it actually comes with its own water decal. Yes, as you notice that this kit doesn't have actually any sort of stickers. I did not expect that this kit actually comes with its own water decal, which is a surprising fact. So overall, it is a nice kit for you to add to your collection, which I would personally get. It comes even with its own water decal, and I can't wait to actually see people customize this amazing Gouf flight unit to the max. I hope you enjoyed this review, and as I'm testing, no sort of looseness, no sort of any parts are falling off. It's really nice and really sturdy. Hope you enjoyed this review as much as I do. Leave a like, share, comment and subscribe, and enjoy the 360. Hope to see you in the next video. Ciao!